Hello friends, welcome again in a new video. This video is totally dedicated to unlock your smartphone's PIN pattern and password lock. If you have forgotten your PIN pattern and password lock and if your phone has been locked due to forgotten PIN pattern and password, so don't worry at all. What I'm going to give you in this video is very latest and a new method has been appeared in every service center, and this method is very certified because all the service center are using this method nowadays to unlock any smartphone, any Android smartphone. You can also use this method in your Samsung smartphone. Okay, so let's start this method. Firstly, you will have to switch your phones on airplane mode. Okay, because before starting this method, you will have to switch off your phones all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. You will get a lots of keys, but you can see here there is a key of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate this. After activating this, you can see here all the network has been switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking mode method. Okay, and after this simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock, and you can see here there is an option of emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as offline unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is *#899 then #. Now after feeding this number, you can see here a page has been appeared and lots of options are showing on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. Simply you will have to click on this. You will reach to a new page and the page name is engineers mode page. You will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this and you will have to reach to the option of others. Now you can see here there are also 5 type of option on this page. You will have to go with the option of a mainboard version, or it's also known as database version. Both the options have the same function but the different name. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the first step has been done. After this you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number. Okay, simply you will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will go with this option it will ask to confirm here, but at the first time you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. Okay, now the second time again you will have to cancel this option, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the OK button, you can see here a new pop-up has been appeared on your phone display, and the pop-up is wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten PIN pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new PIN pattern and password lock, but before going to the home page you will have to follow a last single step. Okay, so be careful about the last step. After this simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this, 3 type of option will be shown on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to click on these options and start these operation until you get a single test passed message in green color. It may be possible it takes some time, so keep patience and continue click on these options. I'm going to click on this. You can see here test has been started, test failed. Second option, test has been started, test passed, and the third option, test has been started and test failed. Okay, it means a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you will have to go with the option of home button which will showing on your phone display at the bottom of the phone display. Simply you will have to click on this. Now you can see here when I have gone with the home button, my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. Okay, so this trick really works. And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing to follow this step. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.